In Hebrew, Lahahiv. Rav Peretz always tells me that the chief rabbinate of Israel had an opportunity once upon a time in its history. The goal would have been Lahahiv et hayahadut an Am Yisrael, to make Judaism loved by the masses of Israel. But that word, to make loved, I don't know that there's an English version of it. Lechabev, to endear, that's the word you would use in this context. To endear halacha on the masses. To make people realize that it's a beautiful thing. It's not that scary thing they've stayed away from. It's not that rigid, difficult, obnoxious thing they always avoided. Halakha is not just beautiful, but it's all-encompassing. It covers your whole life, from the moment you wake up till you go to sleep, from the way you get married, chas v'shalom, till 120 years, the way people get buried, to the way people celebrate holidays, to the way people deal with their children and their spouses. Halakha is everywhere. It's unavoidable for a Jewish person. People have tried to avoid it because they have a misunderstanding of halakha. Says Rabbi Chaim David Halevi, I'm trying to fix that flaw. I'm trying to fix the flaw that Rav Kook mentioned, that there are Jews who love Hashem, there are Jews who love Torah. What has kept them away from observance is, in the words of Rav Peretz, it's Yahadut Me'ayemet. It's a threatening religiosity. It's a threatening observance. It's, I love Hashem. I love Beit HaKnesset. I want to be part of this people. I want to do Shabbat dinners. I want to put up a sukkah. I want to light Chanukah candles. I don't want you to start policing my day-to-day life. I don't want to deal with the halachot that are threatening to drown me in my very own existence. Rav Peretz always told us, the reason people leave Judaism is not because they hate Judaism. It's because they feel that Judaism hates them. They feel stifled. They feel threatened. Their whole way of life, their personality, the only thing that makes them unique is going to be crushed by the world of halakha.